Please wait for a couple of minutes so that everyone can join the meeting. Do you have any queries regarding your previous assignment? Any question, Shravanand?
Yeah, good afternoon. Actually, last week is there a session because that was changed, I think,
Yeah,
between
yeah.
in the weekdays, so we could not attend.
You have
Uh,
uploaded, I have uploaded, sorry, the videos,
Okay,
and
okay, fine,
you
fine.
can
Because
see
actually
that.
that was missed. And one query actually with respect to that session is maybe first question. I think there was a problem with the options. Most of us, I think that was given in that comment session also. Like I think discussion forum. Maybe
There are
the
two questions, right, in which every option is correct.
uh, okay. Actually, for question number one only there was an issue
Okay,
where the options, none of the options are matching.
okay. In question one.
Yeah.
Okay. And I have someone has emailed me and he said about two questions. I
One
think
more, yeah,
this
one
is
more, yeah.
I think name of that person is who sent me the email Karappu Swami Karimatu.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, he sent me the question one problem is and question two.
Question two, that answer is like one decimal is like 22.6, but option
Hmm.
given is 226.
Okay.
And only one doubt is there with respect to that backward difference approximation for question four.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, it was like three data points were there, x and f of x. We have three data points.
Mm-hmm.
So when we have to do backward difference approximation, since we have a 3-point BDF, when we use 3-point BDF, the value is 146.
Which question?
Question number four.
Okay, I haven't received any queries for that.
Question number four.
Okay.
Yeah,
Can you
that,
email me these things
yeah,
if
yeah,
you
yeah. There
I will
actually
see
only,
that.
yeah,
Yeah,
only one doubt is,
I will check
yeah,
what is the problem.
fine, fine, fine. And one last, that last question with respect to the grid points. Also, there
Okay.
was one small doubt. Actually, it was like uh, x naught on both sides up to plus h plus 2h is given, and minus side minus h and minus 2h was given as a grid points. And
Mm.
the approximate value, third derivative is also given a formula. They are asking about the order of the error.
Okay.
So order of error, probably some guidance is there. It will be helpful.
For order of the error, truncation error or what?
Here actually it is like the question is with respect to the approximate value of the third derivative is given.
Okay.
Very specifically, they are asking that order of the error.
Okay. Don't know about. Maybe you can. I will reply definitely for that. Maybe you
Okay,
can email. Yeah, I just.
okay, 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 sure, sure.
There is one last tutorial after that, and I don't know is there problem session or they have scheduled or not. Have you got email about that?
For today's session, it was there already. Mail is there.
But after that, and last after the last tutorial, there is some problem session or not? You don't know.
Like I think it will come once it gets scheduled. 1 week after that only it is coming.
Okay, okay,
As of
okay,
now, it has come up to April 6th, like today.
all right, all right.
Maybe
Okay, I
next week
can
we'll be
start.
getting it. Yeah.
Yeah, we check. Wait a sec. Can you see the screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Real 11. And we have some questions. What is? Okay. So we have some formulas to approximate the integral. Last time we have looked at the Simpson's 1/3 rule and 3/8 rule and trapezoidal rule for approximation of integrals, but I will recall this time also. But let's see. Okay, so first one is closed Newton-Cotes formula, and second one is open Newton-Cotes formula for approximation. So let's see what are the formulas for that. Okay, wait a second. Closed Newton-Cotes formula. So is it being discussed in the class, the formulas?
No, this week it is not there.
Okay. Just good. Just a second, I oh sorry, I just look at the chart for the closed Newton-Cotes formula. What are that? Okay, let's like that. So there are like if A is the starting point, B is the ending point, and n is the number of points in between. So if you have a vector starting from x0 up to x1, suppose this is the grid, you have to integrate a to b fx dx, okay? Then you have to approximate this integral, right? So in between a and b, this is a, this is b. In between you partition this like, so x0 is a and x1 is b. So that is one thing. One is the only n equal one means there is only one partition. N equal two means there will be two partitions. Two means there will be two partitions, right? Like that. So x naught. So if n is one, basically, then there will be two over only one partition, and in that case, you have Newton-Cotes formula is closed. h fx0 plus fx1 divided by, okay, and h, you know what is this? H is b minus a upon n, so n is 1 here anyways. And truncation error, yeah, I just write the truncation error also, you can remember. Oh, sorry, it's f double dash. Sorry. All right. So this
Okay.
is your for an equal one if you have only one partition of the interval, right? Yes,
Yeah.
Shravan, what are you
Yeah. Yeah.
asking?
Yeah. Yeah. Please proceed. Please proceed.
Okay, so this is basically the trapezoidal formula. Okay, this is like just saying this is just the trapezoidal rule. So close Newton formula when n is equal one becomes trapezoidal rule. Okay, right. Next one is when you have n to be 2, in that case you have x0, x1, x2. So I just write till x2 and h is base. Okay, so the close Newton formula in this case is 1 by 3h fx0 plus 4fx1 plus fx2. And this is b minus a upon n is 2, so it is, I just write 2 here. I just write 1 here. And this is minus 1 by 19 h to the power 5. This is the truncation error. So in this case, it becomes Simpson's 1 by 3 rule. All right.
Yeah. Clear.
And when n is equal to 3, so when n is 3, then it goes from x0, x1, x2, x3, 4 points, where n is 3. And in that case, this becomes 3 by 8 h fx0 plus h is b minus a by 3, and truncation error is basically minus 3 by 80 f4 xi. Okay. So in that case, it becomes Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. Okay. So you have seen that all three rules are covered using close Newton-Cotes formula. And when n is 4, then it will run from x4 to x4, n is 4, and you have the formula given by this 2 by 45h 7 fx naught. And this is given by h is b minus a by 4. And truncation error is this is, sorry, it is not any rule. Okay, it is just another. All right, so the thing is this. These are some closed Newton-Cotes formula that you need to remember for your questions. Okay. So closed means, what is the meaning of closed? because it is considering these values a and b, right? It's closed, taking the endpoints. X naught and Xn are the endpoints. All right.
Yeah, one small clarification here. So the
Yes.
last year concatenation error is h power 7 and function of fourth or sixth, I think, right? Sixth derivative.
Yeah.
But it's not 5, it's 6 only, no?
Yeah. 6.
Yeah, okay, okay. 8 by 945 minus 8 by 945.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you, thank you.
Okay. I just write open Newton Cotes formula also with it, maybe. Mm, Yeah. So if you have n is equal to 1 in the formula, I don't use truncation error in this case. So a is x naught x2. Okay, so n is basically here 2. Because for open Newton Cotes formula, you don't have to take a and b into account. So the first case starts from n is equal to 2, okay? Do you understand it? It says x1 and it is x naught. In the formula, there are no points containing x naught and x2. So this is h of x1, or you say, I just write b minus a f x1. Second is x naught, x3, x naught, x1, x2, x3. So there will be 4 points. And it will be b minus a fx1 plus fx2 by 2. So you can see that it is considering only the inner values x1 and x2 here. X0 and x3 are the terminal values and points. X1 and x2 are the inside of the interval. Like this, x0 and x4. Okay, so you have n is equal to, okay, in this case n is 5, I think. Was x0, x1, x2, x3, x4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's sorry, it's 4 here. And it's 3 here. Sorry. So start from here. So it will be b minus a upon 3 to fx1 to fx3. And so on so forth. I just write for n equal 5. These are some formulas that you need to remember. And yeah. So we will use these formulas for the approximation of integrals. Okay. So use the closed Newton Cotes formula to approximate the integral with n equal 4. Let's see. So 0 to pi by 4 sine x dx. Okay. Uh, use closed Newton Cotes formula to approximate integral 0 to pi by 4 sine x dx with n equals to, or is it n is equal to 4, right? Okay. So how do we do it? Anyone? An equal four means how many partitions? Yes. How many partitions if n is four? So A is okay. So here A is 0, B is pi by 4, right? So you start from 0 and end with pi by 4. Your x naught is 0, x4 is pi by 4, and x1, x2, x3. So there will be four partitions, right? And what is the value of h? Do you know that? B minus a upon n. N is 4. So b minus a upon 4, it will be pi by 8. Oh, sorry. It will be pi by 16. Now, can you, which formula do we have to use here? This one. Can you use this formula and tell me what is the correct value? Anyone? So I write x naught is 0, x1 is pi by 16, x2 is pi by 2 pi by 16, so it will be pi by 8, 3 pi by 16, pi by 4. Yeah. So now can you calculate the value? So I just write D using formula D. So I just write this. You can calculate it and tell me what are the values. Do it now. Take 5 minutes and do this and tell me what is the value.
Hello, hello, sir.
Yes,
Hello,
yes.
sir. From our side, we have one request, sir. We are unable to attend the classes during this time every Saturday, and your recording session is not available before the Wednesday, sir. After Wednesday, you are sending the recording video.
Okay.
Sometimes we are able to attend the classes, and sometimes, and all every time you are sending the this recorded video after the Wednesday only. We are unable to do that problem.
Okay,
Suppose if we
last
miss
two
the
weeks it
classes.
was happened. Yeah. Okay.
Please post it before tomorrow or day after do so
Okay,
that
I
we
will
can.
post it by
uh,
today. Yeah. Thank you.
please,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Sorry.
And one more thing, sir. We evaluated last time. Two questions.
Yeah.
We got the answers one something, and they given the answer the different thing.
Okay.
That is Taylor series and Simpsons one third.
You don't understand that or?
No, we followed, sir. We did the problem. We got another answer, and they given another. The
Yeah, yeah,
answer
yeah.
is
I've
not
got some queries
explained.
regarding that. I will say to reject those. Yeah.
Even the first one also, because they given the actual value of the integration also, and
Okay.
using the either whatever it may be, the Simpsons rule or whatever it may be, the value will be around the exact value only. We got like that only, but when they given the absolute error, they ask the absolute error. The
Yeah.
difference is we are getting point something, and they given point 4. It's highly impossible to get the point 4.
Okay.
The answers they given comparatively very wrong answer that is.
Okay, I will let
Three,
them know. Yeah.
three questions like that only. The first question and something I didn't
Yeah,
remember
first two questions there is
exact.
problem. Yeah.
Then again, what is the Taylor series?
Okay.
Simpsons one third and triple adulthood. Both are
Yeah, I
like
will
in that.
yeah.
They given the answer, whatever they given the actual answer, we are getting the answer near to that one only. But the difference absolutely may not be the possible cases of that four.
Okay.
The three questions.
Yeah, okay. That's that I will see. and let them
We
know
are
to
able to
reject
attend
or
sometimes only 3 to 4 only, sir. After this, we are missing the classes and we are
okay,
unable to solve the questions. It's not that much difficult, but we are not getting the exact answers and they given something what we are getting
okay.
and that answer is not going to. Please
Yeah,
post
but some of
if you
them
miss
you are
the.
able to do, right?
We are able to do the question, but the
Okay.
answers in the last semester,
Yeah,
previous
maybe
semester, like
answer
10 of
issue
the.
is there. Yeah, maybe some calculation
Hmm.
issues. Yeah. But you are able to apply the formulas. You understand those?
We are able to apply the formula by listening.
Okay,
Here
that's
also we
fine.
understood.
Yeah.
We said, sir, we are able. Sometimes if we are able to listen, also only 3 to 4 we can concentrate. After that we are unable
Just
to
I just increase
listen
the
the class
volume.
also.
Yeah. Okay.
So that if you do more and more problem before 3 to 4, we are very grateful.
Okay. I should do more problems or
We understood. We apply the formula and we'll do this.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
To go for the better to go for the other problem. No?
Yeah.
We understood this. We had applied the formula only, and now at
But
present
yeah,
we
you
don't
need
have
to
the.
apply the formula and you will get the answer. Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm. We can do it. And one more is now at present we don't have the calculator. Without calculator, we cannot do anything here.
Yes. You have to use.
Hmm.
Just try to solve this and tell me the answer maybe in this.
Hmm?
All right, you can do this, I think. Just you need to substitute the values of x naught, x1, x2, x3, x4, and calculate the value of the function at these points, right? Now the next one is use the open Newton-Cotes formula to approximate the integral with n is equal to 3. Okay, so
Yes, what is the answer options? I got some 0.292.
okay, let me see this. 0.92.
No, okay. Maybe that we have to do in radians, but h in the initial beginning stage, it's also we have to go with pi by 16.
Yeah. Yeah, pi by 16.
It's all are in radians only.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay, let me check that options. Can I note that answer options?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Open Newton-Cotes formula with n is equal to 3. And now how do you do this? So you look at these open Newton-Cotes. I just number them
B
1.
minus a b
Okay.
minus into f of x1 plus f of x2 by 2.
Yes?
The formula b minus into f of x1 plus f of x2 by 2.
Yeah, this one.
Hmm.
Second one.
Hmm.
So use formula second to. Okay, so what is the value? Okay, what is b and what is a? That it is clear. And what is x1 and x2 in this case? So what is h in this case? Anyone? H is what? H is pi by 4 divided by 4, right?
B minus A by 2 or
Is it? Because we need 4 points, x0, x1, x2, x3. And x3 is pi by 4 and x1 is 0.
no, actually, yes, we already have that two endpoints, na? Okay, we have to divide it again by that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
In this case, it's quite because yeah, you need to find x1 and x2. That's why you need H. So what is the formula? Formula is b minus a upon 2 fx1 plus fx2. So fx1 is your f at pi by 16 and f at 3 pi by 16. And b is basically your pi by 4, which is total is pi by 8. Then you solve it to get. All right. This is your answer. Yeah.
Sir, hello?
Yes. Yeah.
Sir, if it is f of x1 is f of pi by 6, f of x2 is 2 pi by 16.
Why? Okay, yeah,
Difference
sorry.
is
Yeah, it's like 2 pi by 16, so it will be pi by 8. Is it? Yeah, you are right. Sorry. But wait, I messed it. No, it's. Oh, sorry. It's just. You need to divide by 3. Yeah. Because there are 3 points and you have 3 intervals. Right, right. So x1 is your pi by 12 and x2 is your pi by 4. Yes. Sorry for the problem. Yeah. Now is it clear?
Of x2 should be pi by 6, na? Like first is pi by 1 pi by 2, 2 pi
No,
by 2.
x2 should
Then
be pi by 4. Why it should be pi by 6?
because last
See,
one is pi by 4, na?
x2
So
is 3
starts
into pi
pi
by
by 12.
sir,
Okay.
this is
Pi by
pi by 6. F of pi by 2 plus f of pi by 6.
yes. Is there any issues?
Yes, actually that whatever you are saying, na, x1 is okay. X1
Yeah.
is pi by 1 into pi by 12, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So x2 is 2 into pi by 12, which is pi by
That is
6.
pi by 6.
And x3 is 3 into pi by 12. Yeah,
Agreed, agreed.
it's
That is
yeah,
correct. Yeah,
yeah. Is it fine?
Correct.
Yes. So,
yeah, yeah.
Yes.
okay. Just it is the way grids you are selecting. Yeah. Just sorry. Okay, I can move to next one. The trapezoidal rule applied to this gives the value 4 with an equal 1, and Simpson's one-third rule gives the value 2 with an equal to. Find the value of f.5. That's good question. Let me copy it. So using snip. Wait a second. Snip. Yeah, I just So you have to apply the trapezoidal rule first, which gives the value 4 with n equal to 1. So do you know what is trapezoidal rule? Do you remember? With n equal to 1, you have this. This is trapezoidal rule, right? So if n is 1, then how many points do you have? X0 and x1, right? So we have, and x0 is 0 and x1 is 1 in this case. So what is trapezoidal rule? Fx0 plus fx1, and this is b minus a, which is 1 minus 0 upon 1. So this is, what is this? So it says h by 2, h is b minus a upon 1. So we get this. And which gives the value to be 4. So it implies that fx0 plus fx1 is 8. It means that f0 plus f1 is 8. Okay. Now what is Simpson's 1 by 3 rule? What is Simpson's 1 by 3 rule? Gives the value 2 when n is 2. So when n is 2, you have this formula. If you go there, then it is the formula 1 for 1. And h is b minus a upon 2. So in this case, h is b minus a upon 2, where b is 1 upon 2, a is 0. So h is 1. Yeah, so the formula is in this case is fx0 plus 4fx1 divided by 1 by 3, so it will be h, and h is 1 by 2, so it will be 1 by 2. So what is the value here? So it implies that f0 plus 4 times f of 1 by 2 plus f of 1, 3 by, oh, sorry, it is 1, 1 by 6 is basically, what is this Simpson's rule? You get this value 2. So you get 2 here. It implies that f0 plus 4f 0.5 plus f1 is 12, right? And from the equation first, using first, we get f0 plus f1, sorry, 4 times f.5 is equal to 12 minus f0 plus f1, which is 8. So f.5 is 1. Do you understand this question? Clearly see the solution. Any problems in this?
It's one only, na?
Yeah.
Clear,
Any
clear.
issues in this?
Nothing, nothing. It's clear. Why you are substituting that one in one value here?
Yeah.
Getting that straightforward.
Okay. Yes. Let's do the another one. Okay. Use Simpson's 1/3 rule to approximate the integral with n is equal to 8. 3, 5, 3 to 5, 1 by under root x square minus 4 dx.
Maybe we can copy that question also.
Yeah, integration. Oh, sorry. I can copy, but yeah, mm, it's just easy to write. So 3 to 5. So you need to see the options or okay. It's fast. Now it's fine.
Yeah, clear.
So how do you use the Simpsons 1/3 rule with n is equal to 8? Anyone? Now
X
you have
equals to b minus a by n. So
we
whatever
try to
the
use. So for Simpsons 1/3 rule, how many points do you need? X0, X1, and X2. Yes? These 3 points, you can apply Simpsons 1/3 rule, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So we go till 8. Okay, just remove this one. I just right. And to in this to this, you can apply again Simpsons 1/3 rule. This to this, you can apply again. This to this, you can apply again. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you have seen the formula for that. You have seen the formula for that. So what is the formula now becomes? The formula is h/3. It is fx0 plus 4fx1 plus 2fx2 plus 4fx3 plus 2fx4 plus 4fx5 plus 2fx6 plus 4fx7 plus fx8. Now it is fine. This is called as composite Simpsons rule. Composite. And what is x? What is h here? What is the value of h here? B minus a upon n as usual.
2 by 8.
This is 2 by 8. So do you understand this method? And you know x0, x1, x2. Can you calculate them?
Yeah.
Okay. No, it's easy to understand. Okay. Just try to solve the next question and tell me. I'm not going to solve this, but I will ask you. Okay. You have to solve it. I'm not going to give the hint for that. Use the trapezoidal rule to approximate the integral with n x equal to 6. Now use the same logic as I have done before to find and try to find out the correct answer out of these and tell me. You have 5 minutes.
Sir, hello, hello, hello. Good evening,
Uh,
sir.
Hi,
um,
hi. Sorry. Yeah. Have you
Sir,
done that?
1 minute. Sir, 1 minute, one doubt, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, you given open Newton codes formulas, na?
Yes. Can you
For
see?
n equal, you given as f of x1 into b minus a.
Yeah.
Huh? Sir,
Yes.
next one is for n equal to 3, b minus a, be 2 factorial or 2? Because in the, when you given n is equal to 5, given 24 means it is a 4 factorial. Na? What about the for n equal to 3 and n equal to 4? Is it 3 or 3 factorial?
There's three.
3 only. Na?
Yeah.
Here you get 24 means generally it is 4 factorial. Na?
Yeah.
Is it correct only?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Have you done this? Can you tell me the answer of it? How would you approach it? Anyone? Not the answer, but how would you approach this question? Shravan?
yeah, divide it into like 6 equal
Okay.
intervals. So we have like
Exactly.
0 to 2.
Okay. So we have x naught starts from x naught, x1, x2. What is h in this case?
So h is 2 minus 0 by 6. That is 1 by 3.
Yeah. And what is the formula in this case? Can you tell me?
So it is h by 3.
H by 3 really?
Yes, h by 2. Yeah, 2 also
It should
we
be 2,
forgot.
right?
2. Yeah, h by 2.
And
So
fx
h, so
naught.
sorry, h by I put 3 is that 1 by 3 I have taken. Okay,
Yeah.
h by 2 into f of x naught plus 2 into all other terms except the last term.
So
Right,
fx,
1 up to x5.
yeah.
Then plus
And
f of x6.
okay, that's yeah. Then you can have you substitute the values in it or not
Yeah,
to get the answer. Yeah. So that is the main thing to understand the formulas and
just can you show me that question cutout one more time? Just
yeah.
yeah, okay, because I have calculated, but there is some difference in value. I will recheck it. It's around 0.7 it is coming, but 0.70 I am getting here. 0.78 is there. So I will check. I'll recheck
Okay.
one more time the calculation.
You are trying this now?
Yeah, I did it, but there was some difference. I will cross check later. No issue.
Okay.
Because actually, only thing with the calculator itself, this much time it takes. In exam with the
Yeah.
online calculator, really it will be tough. The numbers are there, a lot of numbers.
Yeah. Okay. So value question 6 is we will see.
Sir, sorry for the disturbance. One doubt, sir.
Yes.
So because we can able to listen your class only for 5 minutes, I have the doubt
Yeah.
in my assignment.
In the next assignment.
Next segment. F of x is equal to x square and
Yeah.
xi x cube and the xi is a global error of the integral of f of x between two x values by trapezoidal rule is.
Yes. Yes.
Just to give me how to approach that one, we can able.
You know this error formula I have written?
First, you wrote it. That you have to write. Okay, good. This one only.
Yeah. You can use this and calculate the bound now.
Okay, sir. F double dash of z means what is the f of x they given? Okay, sir. One more,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes.
This is f is symmetrical about the line x is equal to 2. Then compute the integral 0 to f of
Yeah.
x dx by Simpson's one-third rule.
Yeah. Symmetric means it has same values along the line. Means
They given
really
some values, x values and f of x values.
symmetric. What do you mean by symmetric? Do you know?
No, sir.
Okay, let me show you. So if it's like x, if it is some plane, then you stand it here. You look like same here. That's the symmetry. You
Understood,
look.
sir. They given the function values x is 2, 3,
Yeah,
4,
so
5.
if it is about the function also, then after x is equal to 2, there are some points. Then what you guess? The function should be same at these points and at these points, right? Function should have same values. You understand?
If it's symmetrical both the line x is equal to 2,
Yeah.
then
That,
compute integral minus 2 to 0 f of
yeah.
x dx. Simpson's one-third rules. Okay. Suppose if it is x is equal to about the line x is equal to 2 means
About the line x is equal to 2 means you are
x
asking?
equal to 2.
Yeah, so it means that the function should have same values
Same
after
value.
that.
X is
After
equal
x.
to 3 means
After
about
3.
the line x is equal to minus 1.
Yeah.
Huh? Then what will be the functional value? Minus 1 means here minus 24. Huh?
Yes.
Sorry. If sir, x is equal to 2, the function is f of x is equal to 22. Then about the line x is equal to, therefore we have the same value.
Yes, yes.
And x is equal to 3 means it is minus 24. Then we have to change the x value. Also, x will be minus 1. Huh?
Yeah.
Correct only, no, sir?
You don't need to change the values. Symmetrical means that function should have same values, right? At so if you have x naught, x1, x2, x3, x4,
Okay.
then if it is symmetric about line x is equal to x2, then the value of function at x1 and x3 should be same, x naught and x4 should be same.
Okay. Suppose if it is about x, if suppose if it is x naught, sir.
If it is
It is
symmetric
symmetric
about
about
x
the line.
naught, no. No, then it should have some more points, same point, number of points.
But they given the same thing. The f is symmetrical about the line x is equal to 2, and the
Yeah.
x values is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
X values are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but the
It starts
integration
from
is
2.
from -4.
Minus 2. Okay, correct only.
You
Integration
have
is
to
minus.
add those values, yeah.
The function value will be the same only, isn't it?
Yeah.
That means this left hand side function
So if it
value
is
will
like,
be.
so if you are saying -2 to 4, then it should be -2, -1, 0, 1, like this. You have.
Okay, okay.
Then function value should be same at, suppose it is symmetric about, I don't know what they are,
Okay.
but
Okay.
yeah, it should have same values like this, maybe. Right.
Okay, okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Here the integral is like between -2 to 6.
Okay. Yeah. So
Only
if
thing we
it
have
is my
to,
-2 to 6, then -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
yeah, we have the
About the
number.
line.
Yeah.
So
So
you
we
know
have
the
the
function values at those points,
yeah,
then
2 to
it
6
should be
it is
same
there.
as those.
2
Yeah.
to 6 we have.
Yeah. So function value should be 1 should be same as 3, 0 should be same as 4, -1 should be same as 5. And you are provided the value at 3, 4, 5, 6, right?
3, 4, 5, 6 they gave it, sir.
Then you can find the values at -2, -1, 0, 1.
Okay, minus 0, minus 2. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Now the velocity of body is given by this, where t is given in seconds and v is using two segments in the distance in meters covered by the body from t equal to t equal 9 seconds most nearly is. So I don't want to explain it whole, but what is the idea is that So you have to calculate from t equal to t equal 9 seconds, right?
Hello,
So
sir.
what? Yeah,
Sir,
yes.
one small doubt in the assignment.
Yeah.
Some that is ninth bit. How small must h be the trapezoidal rule to attain an error less than 0.001 for the integral?
You have to calculate the bounds on the error. I know
Okay.
that's easy. You know the function, right?
Yeah, yes, sir. X
So
square
you
into
just
sin
try
x
to
function.
calculate. Yeah. You just try to calculate the bounds on that and compare the find the value of h.
Find the value of h.
Yeah.
So error means original value minus that value, no?
No, error for error formula, you know. Have you seen that here?
Okay, minus
This
1
one.
by 12 into h
Yeah.
cube f triple dash j, f double
Yeah.
dash j.
Yeah.
But even 8th bit also not coming, sir, according to that formula. We have
What?
done just now only.
Okay.
F of x equal to x cube they have given.
Yeah.
They are asking the error of integration using trapezoidal rule. But answer has not there, sir. Whatever we got, that one.
I don't know. Has anyone tried that other than her?
8th bit. The assignment 8th bit, sir.
Okay. You have to find the value of h, right?
Okay.
You were saying. Just try once more and email me if you have any queries regarding assignments. I can't solve them here for now. Yeah.
But the error formula is this one only, sir.
Yes,
Minus
this
1
is
by
the error.
12 into
Yeah.
h cube
Yeah.
f double dash of j.
Yes.
This is only.
Yeah. If the answer
Okay.
is genuinely not correct, then this may be discarded.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Sir, we are leaving the class, sir. Please post that recording video, sir. Please.
Okay. Everyone is leaving or not?
No, sir, myself.
Okay. Yeah.
Huh? Okay, sir. Huh? Thank you
Okay.
very much.
Thank you. Yeah. Yes. So how do you approach this question? Anyone? You have to find the distance. So distance is velocity upon time. Right? So you have to first find the distance function, which is, so I just write dt is vt upon t. So it's basically 2, 5t plus 3 by t. Okay. Now you have to apply this Simpson's rule over this. So integration of 2, say 9 dt dt. How do you approximate using Simpson's 1 by 3 rule? Can you do this? Using two segment. What does it mean by two segment? What does it mean by two segment? Simpson's 1 by 3 rule? That is easy. Just two segment means two sub intervals. So two x naught should be 2. X1 should be, what is the value? Like 9 minus 2, it should be, oh, it should be, I think so it's not 2, 3, 4. Yeah, Simpson's 1 by 3 rule requires you to have 4 points, x1, x0, x1, sorry, x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, like 5 points it requires. 1, 4, 1 and 1, 3, 3, 1. It should. Okay, let me see. So x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, and should be ideally This- Yeah, you need this x5. How many points do you need? You need you need to apply using Simpson's 1/3 rule, two segment. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. So what is we have? Uh, Simpson's 1/3 rule. Yeah, that was the our rule. So ideally, the thing is that you need to divide it into you two segment Simpsons rule is nothing but the Simpsons 1/3 rule. So you need to apply the Simpsons rule, composite Simpsons 1/3 rule actually in this case till you exhaust the interval. So what is the value of h here? H is 1, and you can use the formula that we have discussed before, this one. Any problems?
With respect to h equal to 1, how it is like to split it into 7 intervals?
Okay, so x naught is 2 and x6 is 9.
Yeah.
Oh, it's not, right? Is it? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, yes. If we split it into 7, it doesn't work. So it doesn't make sense. Yeah. X4, X5, X6, and X. Yes, it doesn't make sense. Yes, so you have to take till, yeah, there's some issues, I think. Just take it here, equal it, then it makes sense, right? You have to calculate the rate. Then it makes sense?
Yeah, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah.
Yes, there's some issues. But Simpson's 1/3 rule can be applied if you, yeah, it won't work if you take 9. Yeah, some bags. Anyway, if the velocity function comes, then you have to convert it into distance function and then you have to solve. The rest things are fine. Okay. And the following data, same thing from t equal 4 to 15 using combined Simpson's 1/3 rule and trapezoidal rule would be. Why they are like this doing. Okay, combined Simpson's 1/3 rule. I just. So what's the rule is that in this case? So again, you have to make the distance like dt function, which is vt by t. So you have to divide, this time table is 4, 7, 10, 15. And vt is basically your 22 by 4, 24 by 7, 37 by 10, and 46 by 15. And t equal 4 to t equal 15 you need to do. So what is the, so how do you apply the combination of both the rules? Anyone in this case? Can you see something common? Yes. Yes. How will you apply the combination in this case? So you see the length is same for from 4 to 10. The h is same, so h is 3 and this case. So you can apply Simpson's rule over this interval 4, 7, and 10. So x naught, x1, and x2, and you can apply trapezoidal rule after that. X3 is 10 and x4 is 50. And then you can sum. So till uh okay, sorry, it's not like this, so it's just 50. So you can apply trapezoidal rule on this and Simpson's 1/3 rule on this. So the formula is, so what the formula is this. So in this case h is 3, so it's just 3/3 f of 4 plus 4f7 plus f of 10 plus, in this case h is 2, so okay, so h is now 5/2 f of 10 plus f of 50. So this is the Simpson's 1/3 rule. This is the trapezoidal. Now you understand this? See the things.
Yeah, clear. Yeah,
Clear?
yeah.
All right. Yes, so we are at question number 8. Yeah, so this is the same question that you were discussing. Would you like to try it? Tell me the answer. Okay.
Yeah.
Just try that. Tell me the answer in this case, then we discuss.
Whether we have to take the negative value of the side or the left-hand side or the same value.
In this case, it starts from 0, right? So how do you
Yeah.
take that? Yeah.
0 and 1 will be the left side.
Yeah.
2 is symmetry.
Yes.
So 3 and 4 values will reflect in 0 and 1, whether it should be
Yeah.
negative or positive.
It should be positive.
Positive. Okay. Thank you.
Have you done that?
Yeah, it is 107. Probably somebody else also can confirm whether it is anybody else
Okay.
there.
Yeah, anyone else? So x0 is, I just do for confirmation, not to
Yeah.
worry.
Yeah.
So x1 is 1, x2 is 2, x3 is 3, and x4 is 4, right?
Yeah.
So the formula is h by 2. Is this the formula you used?
Yeah, yeah, composite formula only. First and last term, and rest of the terms multiplied by 2.
So what is the value of f0?
0.37.
Fx1 is 24, right?
Yeah.
Fx2 is here 22 and symmetrical. Is it? And this is
Yeah.
1. So what you get in solving?
107.
107. Okay.
Yeah.
I think this should be correct. Okay. So you understand this thing.
Yeah.
Anyway, okay. Determine the value of n required to approximate this to within 10 to the power minus 5 using trapezoidal rule, using Simpson's 1 by 3 rule, right? So now you have to use the error formula, okay, in this case.
Estimate the value. Okay.
Okay. So what you have to do in this case, so what is the error formula for trapezoidal rule? Do you remember? Minus 1 by 12 h square. Is it h square? Is it right? What is that? Yeah, it's h cube.
HQ. Yeah.
So what is h cube here? What happened? H cube. And fx is 1 by x plus 4. What is f dash x? What is f double dash x? Is it right? And so the determine approximate to within 10 to the power minus 5. So we take modulus of this. Should be less than equal to 10 to the power minus 5, right? And h is b minus a upon 2. B minus a upon n, right?
Can you please show the question? This one, actually.
Yeah.
So okay. So determine the value when required to approximate within 10 power minus 5. So it should be within that. Okay. Error should be within that. Okay, clear. Please go down. Yeah.
Okay. H is b minus a upon n. So b is 2 to 2 upon n. So it will be 8 upon well n. And this is 2 by x plus 4, xi plus 4 q modulus. So it's just, I can remove this modulus because it's all positive. And xi varies between 0 say 2. So xi is between 0 say 2, right? So xi plus 4 is between 0 say 4 to 6. Xi plus 4 cube is between 216 to 64. 1 by xi plus 4 cube is between. So 2 by xi plus 4 is between 2 by 216 and 2 by 64. So it is overall less than equal to 2 by 64. So 8 by 12n into 2 by 64 is less than equal to 10 to the power minus 5 to 32. So total it will be 12 4 ja 48, right? And n is n should be greater than equal to 1 by 48 into 10 to the power 5. So what should be the value of n now?
Yes, can you just go up slightly because I able to
Wait a
continue
second.
and follow you.
Okay, I'm going too fast.
Yeah, a bit fast. So
Okay, let's see first.
so now
Think
it's H actually H is already coming from the equation, right? That question itself.
Yeah.
0 to 2. That much only is there.
Yes.
Okay. So that is 2n. Then 1 by 12 h cube. So h cube is 8. And that n should be n cube, na? When h cube is coming in that equation.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, it should be n cube. I'm going. Yeah. So it should be like n cube.
N cube. And just 1 second. Just explain. Plus 4. Yeah, that point it is correct. And psi is 0 to 2. From psi 0 to 2, how the next step has come? Just can you please guide? So we are just adding. Okay. We are just adding plus 4 on both sides.
Yeah.
So it will be 4 to 6. Then whole cube if we are taking psi plus 4 whole cube if we are taking, that is 4 cube, 64. And this side 6 that is 6. Okay. Then 2 divided by 64 less than 2 divided by psi plus 4 cube. Yes, 2 divided by 216. That point it is clear. Then coming bringing that into this one. So in that actually 2 by 64 only we are considering in place of less than 10 power minus 5. Okay, since
yeah. So you just take the cube root, right?
no, why 2 by 216 is not taken? So that is it should be less than that. So less than that value means we should go for the lower number. Like 2 by 64 is there. That simple again it got reverted here. Na? Like when it is you put both sides greater than or equal to.
What are you
So
saying?
no, but the last line, the same page, last line. Yeah.
This last line?
Yeah, line. So here actually 2 by psi plus 4 whole cube. Both sides, one is
size between 0 and 2.
Okay. So simple reversing only I'm just thinking. Okay, so since it is 2 by.
Yes.
Okay. So since it is 2 by, right.
And then you convert it. So I just replace that 2 by 64 and it is less than 10 to the power minus 5. And then you just do 1 by 3 of this. Then what you get?
48 less than 2.
So you will get and it should be greater than equal to 13. So it will be like all those options should be correct.
Okay. That is 12.77. Yeah.
Yeah.
M greater than or equal to 12.77. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
the answer is
All options should be correct in this case. Yeah.
determine the value of n required to approximate within 10 power minus. Now, trapezoidal rule where we applied it. Okay, that error formula only we applied. And Simpson's 1/3 rule.
Yeah. For Simpson's 1/3 rule, can you do it yourself?
Okay.
Is
Okay.
it the same? What is the error formula that we have defined before? This one. This one. You have to go till fourth derivative, okay?
Okay.
And then you have to do the similar things.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
But whether the option is all of the above is there in the question?
No, it's not there. Not there.
I'll just take a screenshot of it.
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. Yeah, do you have any other queries?
Yes, just one second. Yes, just I'm doing this. Let me quickly just
Yeah.
give me a moment. I'm finishing it.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm getting the value n greater than or equal to 3.83.
Yeah.
So if that is the case,
Okay, then 456 should be right, right?
okay. So whether the option is like all the 3, 4, 5, 6 are correct, like that we have to give.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So one query in this assignment. Now we have, I think the madam was also asking specifically with respect to that how small that trapezoidal rule error actually it should be less than certain value for a function. Like h, how small h must be for a trapezoidal to attain an error less than 0.001
Yes.
for a given function.
Yeah.
How to proceed on this? Maybe general guidelines.
Okay, so how the error should be less than
Less
this.
than like 0.001, a function is given.
You have to find the value of n, right?
Okay, the same way.
Yes. It should be.
Okay, using the trapezoidal that error formula.
Yeah.
Okay, that is clear. Then one more is psi in the global integration error between two x values by trapezoidal rule. So here that limits are not there. Like we have only function is given, and the function between two x values only it is given. There is no like starting and beginning. The end limits are not there.
Okay. It should be there.
No, it is not there.
Okay.
Like just I will explain. Like there is a function given, and in that function it was told that the psi in the global error of integration of f of x between two x values by trapezoidal rule is dash.
Okay. The xi, you have to find the value of xi, or
Yeah.
you can find it.
No, without h, we don't have any.
There is no h.
No. That's what I asked. Like that limits is not there.
Which question is it?
Question number 8.
Okay. What is the last date to submit?
Last date is on 6th. Sorry, 10th.
Okay. Can you email me these?
Yeah.
If it
Yes.
is.
Right.
Okay, then I will just see properly.
Okay, and one more thing, actually, like the same way when we are finding this error, like one of the question is like we have an integral of a function, and the error value, find the error value given exact integral value is given. So exact value also is then is given. We have to find an error value, and whether it will be in like there is like one is like integration we have to do, that is one point. And the second thing is that error also, like two values are there for this one, right?
Yeah. Two values for the error.
Whether that will be there, two values for the error will come.
Two values for the error function?
No, one is like first use the rule to approximate a function, then find the error value given the exact integral value is given.
So you have to first approximate and then find the error value.
Okay.
Two values should come.
Okay, so okay, fine. Because once the limit is given, then approximation generally okay. They are not given here also. The h is not there. Okay, we can take the number of functions accordingly. We can do correct, na? If h is not given, means number of intervals is not given. Sorry, it is there. Limit is there. Upper and lower limit is there. If n is not given, we can take minimum n required and go ahead.
Yes.
Okay, that much only. I think rest everything is clear.
Okay, all right. I just shared this video today. Yeah.
Right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Maybe I close the meeting now. Yeah.
Right. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.